Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with another Google Sheet automation. So in this simple work, Google automation, what we need to use the data. Sorry, I think I've got cleared it. Let me get back the data. Okay, so in this sheet, in this automation, we have to take the weekly data from this sheet, starting from this column A to column F, and wherever the invoice number is present, obviously, and the invoice number will be depending on the first name and last name, which you will select. So I hope there will not be any empty columns, any rows, empty rows in between. And once you are set up, and yeah, there is another thing you can select the date. This is why we have colored this cell yellow so that you can change the date every week or as per required. Furthermore, I have changed the formatting and updated some formulas to be dynamic, except this one, customer total, which is down to 621 rows, which I think good enough for the week data. And rest of the data formulas are either automatic or dynamic, so you have nothing to do with that. So these are the two things. I would suggest to turn these columns yellow or maybe highlight with some different color so that you can identify these are the only color you want columns you want to change. Probably yellow. Okay, so once you are done with this, the requirement is to shift the data from column A to column F on the past purchase data on the next available row. So I'll be checking the next available row against the name. So I hope there will not be any empty columns, empty rows in between. Okay, so and there is another thing that whoever the person is using this script will get the email address of that person will also get popped up in here, and the against the invoice number and relevant data. Once everything is done, I'll show you that as per, like you can see currently we have the invoice number starting from 10,000, and the maximum available is 10,002. If you will add another customer in here, it will become 10,003 automatically itself. The sheet is a bit slow. Okay, see, it's 10,003. So I'll remove this currently, and I'll keep this with 10,002. And let me show you. This is the extra menu where you can click and you will see a shift and clear data. Once you will be running this for the first time, it might ask you for the authorization. Whoever is using this, if you are using it, you have to authorize it only one time. If someone else is using it, he or she also has to authorize it only one time. So I'll click this because I have already tested it. It won't ask me, but I can give you a quick overview of that as well. So you can see the data has got clear because the data has got shifted on the purchase list, which is basically our database record. So you can see the this is the email address. Me left indented. Okay, so this is the email address because this is mine, and I've changed these cells 10,000 to 10,002. Names concatenated with first and last name, stones, type, quantity, and unit price. Okay, so you can see the extra feature here is that 10,002 is here, and the next invoice number should be starting from 10,003. You can see it's already there, and you have nothing to do about that. And if these formulas are also dynamic, if someone will get deleted, someone will delete it unintentionally, those will come back again on the next transfer. But still, if you have anything, please let me know. There is another discrepancy I saw on this purchase data list. When I was trying to automate this formula dynamically, I can see some text in between. Like you can see, this is the customer total invoicing, but there are some text in between, and then number, then there are some errors in between as well. I don't know, dates, numbers, errors. There's a whole lot of things in this particular column. So please look into it and let me know if you want me to clear this. We can discuss this on a call and get it done as soon as I can. So yeah, everything is set up on my side, and let me show you. For example, if you make another copy of this file, so you can see I have just tested it, but still, if I'll be running this for the first time next time, like this one is another copy of this. Let it load completely, and once it's load, it will show you an extra menu in here. If not, you can always refresh the browser. I think it's complete. Let me refresh the browser. It should pop up. Okay, here it is. So the menu is here, and once I'll okay, let me take some data back on the weekly sheet so that I can transfer that. So what I'll do, I'll take all of these columns. I'll delete all of this data, get back, and let's paste in here. Doesn't matter. You will see that the formula got updated, overwritten, but no issues. It will come back again once the data transfer is complete. I think it should be, have I missed a column? Yep, I missed the column. Okay, here it is. So we have the data now. Should start from here to here. Paste data in here. Okay, all done. So now I'll be running this script for the first time, as you will do. You will do. Let's say, let it load. Okay, so um, you need to click on this. It will ask you for the authorization. If I'll be doing this again and again with a copy, it will ask me for the first time only. So you need to click through which account you want to process. You want to do this process, and if someone else is using, he or she also has to do that. So left top, left bottom, and then right bottom. These are the three options you need to click. Once done, allow. It might not do the functionality because it just got used in the authorization. Now you need to double click it again. And as soon as you will click it, you will see the formulas are back. The next invoice number is here, and the data has also been transferred to the next available row, which is obviously, yeah. So I didn't delete the previous data, so it has updated the new data at the bottom of it. So that is it from my side. Let me undo this because this is a copy, so I'm not disturbing your file. So that is it from my side. Please let me know if I missed something or regarding the purchase column, purchase sheet column errors. So I'll get back. So we can discuss this on a call and fix it. Thank you. Take care. Bye.